today's Friday. Tomorrow's track day. We're gonna get the car back in a drifting state. We're gonna start off with changing out our axle. This car is low, so I've been through like 3 or 4 axles. I mean, both of these are bad, but I'm just changing my driver's side one because it's completely gone. And then we're gonna have to go change out the coolant to water because it's slippery if it spills. And yeah, button up the car after that and we're ready to go. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro, but I'm not impressed. Why is it not giving me full power or something? Underneath the yellow, yeah, I know. Let's get weird chilling. They're not. There's no way they're not. Alright, so we're new boot goofing. You know what I mean. New axle, old axle. My boot sole is low, and this was because of desperate times. I had to come up with something. It didn't work, but I mean, I did drive from California on this, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I gotta drill out these bolts to 1/2 inch, thanks to Anton, that bastard. After that, we're gonna toss this bad boy in and probably wash my suspension so I could see if it rips slightly, like my driver's side one. I'll see the grease build up all over my arms. Yeah, let's drill these out. Of course, your boy got lifetime warranty axles. The best part about it is for your lazy asses, there's no core charge. Perfect. 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 Needs a little bit of work. The reason why this sucks and Anton is wrong is because every time I break an axle, which is very often, I gotta drill out it. And this was a brand new like $18.99 DeWalt drill bit, and it lasted 2 axles, one that was OEM and one that was aftermarket. So it's like 1.5 axles because the OEM one it's like half as thick of a hole to drill. This is why I hate this. Alright, axle's all drilled out and ready to be tossed back in. Get down on it. Come on now, get down on it. Alright, so we just changed out the axle, put the rear bumper and valences on, and now it's time to flush the coolant system. Alright, so mechanically the car is sound now. We did our axle, we did our cooling system. Now I'm going to add some race gas to boost up octane for tomorrow's track day. It's kind of sitting around and Yev isn't going to use it anytime soon. So I'll use it on his engine. Day's come to an end. The car is ready to go. I'm just gonna go pack up some wheels and stuff to grab tomorrow in the morning. I'll load it up into my sister's car and we'll wash the car at the track because it's gonna get dirty on the way there. But yeah, I got this big old mess to clean up and dinner to eat, so see you on the next one.